Both items are connected. Now what I will do after it, okay, be careful. Be careful here, okay? Okay, now what I have to do, I have to connect the Arduino, with the yes. First I have to connect. Okay, first I have to connect the connector with it. Can you check this? Last be with me, okay? Mentally be with me. Please turn on. Turn on. Arduino board has. Okay. Now for this, I will use a button to just turn on and turn off it. For that, what I will do, I will cut the wire and connect it. Yes, please. Just wait for this. What I have to do, I will cut. Now this is how we can connect any kind of button anywhere. So I have to connect any wire. I have to connect any wire. Sarah, leave that left out. I have to connect any wire. Which wire I have to connect? Red or black? It's
Red.
Just raise your hand for the red. Just raise your hand for the black. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So right one is why we will connect. We will cut the red wire. So what we have to do now? You can check this. It has two terminals, right? Two terminals.
Yes.
It has also two terminals. You just have to connect these two terminals with the switch one. So that's how we can connect the buttons with it. Done. The first. Okay. Now come here. What is your name? Ashir. Ashir will help us. Okay. Ashir, be careful, but you have to help. Now. Step number 1. Just put it. You have to protect your everyone. Now it's turn. Use the solar iron. Actually, it's not printed yet.
It's not ready.
Yes, it's not ready. Until that very clean. Everyone, I